Woodworking made easy. Woodworking companies have always needed to integrate machines of different technologies and brands on their shop floor. All machines then required being integrated to the company's manufacturing execution system, managing the entire production line. This integration process demanded weeks of interface development, resulting in unnecessary costs and taking up engineers' time. Now, woodworking is made easy. With Easy, woodworking companies can easily choose any type of technology and just plug in. One standardized interface easily connects all machines one to the other and to the manufacturing execution system. No extra time needed to develop an interface. Just one plug-in and our customers have total control of the production line, increasing productivity quickly and easily. Woodworking made easy.